Combined braking system. Hello everyone. In today's vlog, we're going to talk about the combined braking system, CBS, what it is, and how it works. A combined braking system is a feature found on many motorcycles that allows the rider to use both the front and rear brakes at the same time with a single brake lever. This means that when the rider applies the brake, the system automatically distributes the braking force between the front and rear brakes. The CBS works by using a series of sensors and a hydraulic control unit. The sensors monitor the pressure applied to the brake lever, and the hydraulic control unit adjusts the distribution of the braking force accordingly. The goal is to provide maximum stopping power, no matter the weight distribution of the motorcycle or the road conditions. The CBS is particularly useful in emergency situations, where the rider may only have time to apply one brake. With the CBS, the rider doesn't have to worry about which brake to apply, as the system will automatically adjust the braking force for maximum stopping power. In conclusion, the combined braking system is a valuable safety feature for motorcycle riders. By providing maximum stopping power in emergency situations, the CBS helps riders stay safe on the road and have a more confident ride. If you're a motorcyclist, make sure your motorcycle has this system installed. That's all for today's vlog. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.